That's very nice of you, but you set off the metal detector. Would you remove your keys and try it again, please? You're in a wonderful mood tonight. I thank you for coming. Let me tell you, you can never tell when you do the show what kind of an audience you're going to have. Last night, we had what I would call a mean audience during the monologue. Right in the middle of the monologue, the guy in a commando outfit stood up and said, "It's a go, take him down." Is this a gorgeous day today? The sun has been out 2 days in a row.
Not here. We're getting a blizzard.
California Governor Duke Majan went on television today and told everybody that it happened during his administration. Did you read about Fernando Valenzuela? A lot of ball players, I guess, in arbitration. Pitcher for the LA Dodgers, Fernando Valenzuela, just signed a contract for multi-millions of dollars, over $1 million a year, with the team. He is so rich, he just got a green gold card. A gold green card. A wonderful joke right down the tube. He just got a green gold.
Oh, looks like the kids out there are still enjoying themselves. Playing in the snow. Yeah, it's not for me. I'd rather be in the house watching some vintage TV shows here. Yeah, I was a little kid once there. Me and my grandfather.
Give you some suggestions rather than the normal things you would see. I suggest you go to the Fairfax Cinema this week.
I was born in 1985.
Jewish anti-terrorist.
This show here that I'm watching was recorded February 21st, 1986. So I was 2 months old. Huh, nice.
To rescue a guy named Murray who's flying to Miami and forced to eat a non-kosher meal. And it stars Chuck Norris's cousin, Morris Norris.
Here's my other collection. I gotta organize this later. Some of my VHSs and some of my other tapes. Check out what I got here. Some of this stuff was my grandfather's. Good Night and Good Luck, that was my grandfather's. Battle of the Bulge, that was my grandfather's. The Ghost and Mr. Chicken, Don Knotts. Oh, he just died, so sorry to hear that. The Lucy Show, I just got the whole series. Mama's Family, I Love Lucy 50th Anniversary Special. So that's what we got. See you later.
I didn't have anything to do with the election.